What if your website, community, memberships, CRM, funnels, live streaming, and AI tools all lived in one platform? Today, we're doing a deep dive into eStage reviews to see if this all-in-one digital business hub truly delivers on that promise. To understand eStage, you first have to understand what it isn't. This isn't a make-money-fast system or an MLM. It's a serious infrastructure platform designed to help businesses centralize their entire operation and, most importantly, own their audience. At its core, eStage combines high-level tools like an AI website builder and intelligent funnels with deep back-end systems. The eStage AI Builder allows for rapid deployment of professional sites, while the integrated CRM and email automations keep your leads organized. It also houses your communities, memberships, and courses, even supporting live streaming directly within your own ecosystem. So why are so many people searching for eStage reviews right now? It's because the market is shifting. Brands are tired of managing scattered systems like Skool, Kajabi, or ClickFunnels and are looking to consolidate into a single hub. eStage is best suited for course creators, coaches, agencies, and digital brands who need scalable, centralized infrastructure. In our honest eStage review, the pros are clear. The centralized nature of the platform and the power of its AI tools are major wins for ownership. However, keep in mind that all-in-one platforms do have a learning curve and require careful initial setup to structure your hub correctly. The final verdict? eStage is positioning itself as a serious contender for businesses that value scalability and centralized control. If you're ready to see how it works for your business, you can learn more and start a 14-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching this eStage review. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the tools shaping the future of digital business.